Hello, I'm going to show you how to make and use a three-phase solid state relay or SSR. Now we use an SSR or solid state relay for switching electrical appliances without noise. This will be useful for applications through a microcontroller so that noise does not affect. I'm not going into the details of the circuitry, which is already much of it is available. Now, what you require is basically a PCB. This is a PCB which is not populated with components. All you need is a handful of components. Now once you assemble this PCB, this is how it will look. Now here, this is a LM317 IC, and we activate the Triacs using 3 to 30 volts, which gets converted and comes to the zero crossing IC. It is MOC 3041. I am using 3 of them for switching 3 phases. This is a DC input PCB, and it has a snubber circuit on board. Now this board does not contain a triac. I have to solder the triac. I have just kept this for display. This is so there are 3 phases, R, Y and B. So once we connect a 12 volt supply to this point or to this both points, these triacs will conduct from here to here, so it will make a circuit complete. We can actuate a motor, induction motor, up to maybe 2 to 3 HP if we use a BTA 41 triac, depending on the quality of the triac. Now I will show you an assembled PCB with the heatsink. This is an assembled PCB with a heatsink. You can see the triac has been soldered here. 3 triacs. If you use a low power triac, the current rating will reduce. So I have used a BTA 41. It's very inexpensive to make, and you need a heatsink for this. There are white and black MOC 3041 ICs available. You can use anything as per your choice. Now I will show you a semi-assembled PCB. This is a semi-assembled PCB. I am yet to fit the triac and heatsink. This is the inside of it. Now you can also mount heatsinks like this. Depending on the temperature and the load, you can take a decision and mount these heatsinks. Now this is how the heatsink is made. Place the PCB on top, bend the leads into these holes, and solder the triacs. That's it. We have a 3-phase solid state relay module, and there are many 3-phase SSI is available online, whereas the difference is this is made by us and you can service it. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye bye.